Who won the women's singles title at the French Open 2026? Correct answer is option D, Mira Andreeva. And the men's singles title won by Alexander Zverev. Who won the International Booker Prize 2026 for the novel Taiwan Travelogue? Correct answer is option A, Yang Shuangzi. Who was appointed as the 48th Deputy Chief of Naval Staff of the Indian Navy in June 2026? Correct answer is option C, Ajay Kochar. Which state has been declared India's fifth fully literate state under Ullas program? Correct answer is option D, Sikkim. What is the new name of Fazil Nagar in Kushinagar district, Uttar Pradesh? Correct answer is option A, Pavagadh. Which team won the IPL 2026 title by defeating Gujarat Titans? Correct answer is option D, Royal Challengers Bangalore. Which Indian students won the Earth Prize 2026 for developing a solution to remove microplastics from water? Correct answer is option D, all of the above. Vivan Chauchadia, Ariana Agrawal, and Avyana Mehta. Pragati 2026, a 12 nation military exercise, was hosted by India in which state? Correct answer is option B, Meghalaya. Who was appointed as the new Deputy Governor of the Reserve Bank of India in May 2026? Correct answer is option B, Rohit Jain. Who became the first individual footballer to win the Princess of Asturias Sports Award 2026? Correct answer is option C, Lionel Messi. Which state has been declared India's first state with a fully paperless judiciary? Correct answer is option D, Sikkim. What is India's rank in the World Press Freedom Index 2026? Correct answer is option C, 157th. The Shekha Jheel Bird Sanctuary, recognized as India's 99th Ramsar site, is located in which state? Correct answer is option A, Uttar Pradesh. It is located in Aligarh, Uttar Pradesh. Which port topped the Logistics Port Performance Index financial year 2024-25 in the dry bulk cargo category? Correct answer is option A, Paradip Port Authority. Joint military exercise Simbex 2026 was conducted between India and which country? Correct answer is option C, Cambodia. Who was sworn in as the 13th Chief Minister of Kerala? Correct answer is option C, V.D. Satishan. Who was reappointed as the Director of the Central Bureau of Investigation in May 2026? Correct answer is option B, Praveen Sood. Which security force was awarded the prestigious President's Color honor by Union Home Minister Amit Shah? Correct answer is option C, NDRF, and the full form is National Disaster Response Force. What is India's rank in the World Happiness Report 2026? Correct answer is option B, 116th. Who became Indian Army's first woman officer qualified to fly the Rudra armed helicopter? Correct answer is option B, Captain Anshuja Sharma. Where is India's first special economic zone developed by municipal body being established? Correct answer is option A, Puducherry. Which state's tableau title Ganeshotsav, a symbol of Atmanirbharta, secured first place at Republic Day Parade 2026? Correct answer is option A, Maharashtra. Where was the nationwide Khet Bachao Abhiyan launched by Shivraj Singh Chauhan? Correct answer is option A, Ramsiya village, Madhya Pradesh. Who was honored with the Bhartendu Harishchandra Lifetime Achievement Award 2026? Correct answer is option A, Namita Gokhale. Who became the second woman to be directly elevated from the bar to the Supreme Court of India? Correct answer is option B, Venkita Mohana. Which country is hosting the FIH Hockey Women's Nations Cup 2026? Correct answer is option B, New Zealand. Which Indian badminton player won the men's doubles title at the Singapore Open 2026? Correct answer is option A, Satvik Sairaj Rankireddy and Chirag Shetty. India surpassed which country to become the world's largest producer of rice in January 2026? Correct answer is option D, China. India signed $629 million BrahMos missile export deal with which country? Correct answer is option D, Vietnam. Where was India's first AI-based aviation weather and fog monitoring system, Skycast, launched? Correct answer is option C, Indira Gandhi International Airport, New Delhi. Who was appointed as the new Chief Justice of Patna High Court in June 2026? Correct answer is option D, Meenakshi Madan Rai. Which operation was launched by Gujarat Police to identify, locate, and apprehend undocumented Bangladeshi nationals? Correct answer is option C, Operation Delta Hunt. Which state launched Project Zero to eliminate corruption completely? Correct answer is option B, Kerala. Who won the women's singles title at the Australian Open 2026? Correct answer is option D, Elena Rybakina. Which district became the first in India to collect property tax through the Samarth Panchayat portal? Correct answer is option B, Dhamtari. Which team has won the Vijay Hazare Trophy 2025-26? Correct answer is option A, Vidarbha. Which state has become the first in India to establish dedicated menopause clinics in government hospitals and urban health facilities? Correct answer is option B, Maharashtra. Which veteran Bollywood actor received the Padma Vibhushan posthumously in 2026? Correct answer is option B, Dharmendra Singh Deol. In January 2026, Indian Railways deployed its first humanoid robot, ASC Arjun, at which railway station? Correct answer is option C, Vishakhapatnam. The fifth edition of the Rusoma Orange Festival was held at Rusoma village in which state? Correct answer is option D, Nagaland. Which organization won the Scotch Award 2025 for the life-saving cell broadcast disaster alert system? Correct answer is option C, CDOT, the Center for Development of Telematics. Which film won the Best Movie Drama at the Golden Globe Awards 2026? Correct answer is option B, Hamnet. What is the primary payload carried by ISRO's PSLV C-62 mission launched on 12 January 2026? Correct answer is option B, EOS N1. Which Indian Army officer won the UN Secretary General's Award 2025? Correct answer is option B, Major Swati Shanta Kumar. Who has been appointed as the new Chief of Defence Staff of India in May 2026? Correct answer is option B, Lieutenant General N.S. Raja Subramani. In January 2026, National Highway Authority of India achieved two Guinness World Records for laying which material on the Bengaluru Kadapa Vijayawada Economic Corridor? Correct answer is option B, bituminous concrete. Which city ranked first in Cost of Living Index 2026? Correct answer is option C, Zurich. Which of the following cricketer has been awarded the Padma Shri Award in 2026? Correct answer is option B, Rohit Sharma and Harmanpreet Kaur. Which mission was launched by the Ministry of Jal Shakti and the National Research Foundation to promote innovation and startups in the water sector? Correct answer is option B, Mahajal Mission. The Madhya Pradesh High Court declared the Bhojshala complex as a temple is located in which district of Madhya Pradesh? Correct answer is option C, Dhar. Which team has won the Ranji Trophy 2025-26? Correct answer is option C, Jammu and Kashmir. What is the title of India's new national counter-terrorism policy unveiled by the Ministry of Home Affairs? Correct answer is option B, Prahar. Who released the coffee table book Atal Bihari Vajpayee, The Eternal Statesman on 21st February 2026? Correct answer is option B, C.P. Radhakrishnan, and the book authored by Vijay Goyal. Who won the Global Teacher Prize 2026? Correct answer is option B, Rubal Nagi. Where was the India AI Impact Summit 2026 held? Correct answer is option B, Bharat Mandapam, New Delhi. Which Indian state hosted the National Paralympic Powerlifting Championship in January 2026? Correct answer is option B, Uttarakhand. How many Padma Awards were conferred for 2026? Correct answer is option C, 131. Which Indian film became the first to win the BAFTA award? Correct answer is option B, Boong. The joint military exercise Vajra Prahar is conducted between India and which country? Correct answer is option B, United States. What is India's rank in the Network Readiness Index 2025? Correct answer is option C, 45th. Who has been appointed as the new Vice Chairman of Niti Aayog? Correct answer is option C, Ashok Kumar Lahiri. Which team won the Women's Premier League 2026 title? Correct answer is option D, Royal Challengers Bangalore. Who took additional charge as the CEO of Niti Aayog after BVR Subramaniam term ended? Correct answer is option C, Nidhi Chibbar. Where were the Asian Indoor Athletics Championship 2026 held? Correct answer is option C, Tianjin, China. Who won the Santosh Trophy 2025-26 title? Correct answer is option B, Services Football Team. Who formally released the book The Sage Who Reimagined Hinduism on 19th February 2026? Correct answer is option B, Vice President C.P. Radhakrishnan. Which team won the ICC Under-19 World Cup 2026? Correct answer is option D, India Under-19. Under the PM Rahat scheme, eligible road accident victims will receive cashless medical treatment up to. Correct answer is option C, 1.5 lakh. Prime Minister Narendra Modi was conferred the Royal Order of the Polar Star Commander Grand Cross during his visit to which country in May 2026? Correct answer is option B, Sweden. Which Indian city is the host of Earthshot Prize 2026? Correct answer is option C, Mumbai. Who has taken charge as the first woman director of the Airports Authority of India? Correct answer is option B, Nivedita Dubey. Which organization won the first prize at the Swachhata Pakhwada Awards 2025? Correct answer is option B, Paradip Port Authority. Who became the first non-Congress Chief Minister of Assam to serve 2 consecutive terms? Correct answer is option C, Hemant Biswa Sharma. Under the Viksit Bharat Guarantee for Rozgar and Ajivika Mission Act 2025, the guaranteed wage employment in rural areas has been increased to how many days per financial year? Correct answer is option A, 125 days. Who took oath as the ninth Chief Minister of West Bengal on 9th May 2026? Correct answer is option C, Suvendu Adhikari. Kavartha North Village Council, which won the top rank in the Clean and Green Panchayat category, is located in which state? Correct answer is option D, Mizoram. Who has been appointed as the next Chief of the Naval Staff of India in May 2026? Correct answer is option C, Vice Admiral Krishna Swaminathan. Who was crowned Femina Miss India World 2026? Correct answer is option B, Sadhvi Satish Sail. The Janni platform launched by the Union Health Ministry in May 2026 is related to which sector? Correct answer is option D, maternal and child health care. Who was sworn in as the new Chief Minister of Manipur? Correct answer is option B, Yumnam Khemchand Singh. The Union Budget 2026-27 was presented by. Correct answer is option D, Nirmala Sitharaman. Which team won the Pro Wrestling League 2026 title? Correct answer is option C, Haryana Thunders. Where was the US-China summit held in May 2026, bringing together President Donald Trump and President Xi Jinping? Correct answer is option C, Beijing, China. Which country will host the BRICS summit in 2026? Correct answer is option C, India. Which Indian space tech startup became the country's first unicorn in May 2026? Correct answer is option C, Skyroot Aerospace. Which city has been designated as the headquarters of the newly formed South Coast Railway, India's 18th railway zone, notified in May 2026? Correct answer is option D, Vishakhapatnam. Who was appointed as the new chairperson of the Central Board of Film Certification in May 2026? Correct answer is option D, Shashi Shekhar Vempati. Who was honored with the WWF National Award for developing an AI-based conservation app? Correct answer is option B, N. Alim Yusuf. Who became the youngest swimmer to cross the Park Strait in April 2026, completing the 29-kilometer swim in 9 hours 50 minutes? Correct answer is option C, Ishank Singh. Which special feature has been included in the Delhi-Dehradun Economic Corridor to protect biodiversity? Correct answer is option B, Elevated Wildlife Corridor near forest areas. Who became the first BJP Chief Minister of Bihar on 15th April 2026? Correct answer is option D, Samrat Chaudhary. Who won the Men's Norway Chess 2026 title? Correct answer is option B, R. Pragnanda. Military exercise Dust Fleet 2026, conducted in April 2026, is a joint exercise between which countries? Correct answer is option B, India and Uzbekistan. Who is the Austrian Chancellor who visited India in April 2026 to strengthen trade, technology, and cultural cooperation? Correct answer is option C, Christian Stocker. The Constitution 131st Amendment Bill 2026 is related to which of the following? Correct answer is option C, 33% reservation for women in legislatures. Who became the 95th Chess Grandmaster of India? Correct answer is option B, Aranyak Ghosh. What is India's rank in the Global Terrorism Index 2026? Correct answer is option B, 13th. The 7th edition of joint military exercise Dharma Guardian between India and Japan was held at which location? Correct answer is option C, Chaubattiya. Which two cities are connected by India's first Vande Bharat sleeper train? Correct answer is Howrah, Guwahati. Who has been appointed as the chairman of Prasar Bharati in May 2026? Correct answer is option A, Prasoon Joshi. The last question is, which country exited OPEC and OPEC Plus with effect from 1st May 2026? Correct answer is option B, United Arab Emirates. So friends, that's all in today's video. Today's question for you. Which state has been declared India's fifth fully literate state under Ullas program? And the question number second is, who won the Mains Norway Chess 2026 title? So friends, share the answer in the comment box and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.